Learn English with Titanic movie. Learn prepositions with Rose and Jack. Part 13 of 20. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Look blank the beautiful ocean. A. To. B. At. C. From. Correct answer, at, to show a specific point of focus. Jack took Rose blank the third class party. A. At. B. To. C. From. Correct answer, to show movement towards a place. People talked blank the ship's luxury. A. Through. B. About. C. Over. Correct answer, about, to show the topic of discussion. The explorers looked for the diamond blank the sunken ship. A. In. B. On. C. At. Correct answer, in, inside an enclosed place. The story starts blank the year 1912. A. On. B. At. C. In. Correct answer, in, 4 years. Like, comment and subscribe.